All right, gentlemen. Today we got that pellet grill cranked up. I got a couple of birds from the HEB. We're gonna shove some jalapenos down their neck and some Shiner Bach up. Y'all stay tuned and check it. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and crank up this pellet grill. Turn it on. Bring it down to about 325, 82. So that'll take it, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes before it comes up to temp. So we'll go inside and get the rub on those chickens. Guys, these are the stars of the show today. That's all we're gonna need right there. Poblano's, some little bell peppers, a couple of jalapenos, a little Tonys. Gotta have the Tonys. Now guys, I kill it with the Tonys. I mean, I really like the Tonys. I like the spice, so when it comes to the peppers, depending on how much zing you want to that chicken, you know, I live with a bunch of girls, and I've got 2 girls and my wife, and not all of them like real spicy, so I've got to kind of taper it down a little bit, but however much zing you want. Sometimes I've shoved the whole neck with nothing but jalapenos, and it'll run some spice through that chicken. Now what I'll do with these chickens is I'll first start off on the breast, and I'll cut right down and I'll start peeling that breast off, and I'll just take the whole breast off the chicken itself, and then I'll cut that up later, slice it into pieces, try to leave a little bit of skin for every piece, but you know, I just take it off piece by piece. I do my turkeys the same way. I cut the big old turkey breast off of them, peel it off, and then slice it up. But you can't hardly beat this type of chicken. It is just so darn juicy. You know, my family, if I tell them I'm cooking chicken, these are the kind of chickens they want. Are you gonna put the cans on them? That's what I get. Yeah, I'll put the cans. So they love these. All right, guys, it's money time. It's awfully juicy. You guys need to try this. It's a real deal.